Having a privacy policy page allows you to comply with various privacy and data security laws in the countries in which you do business. It also gives your website's search engines and other users the knowledge they need to understand the data that they are giving you. Having a privacy policy page on your website is an important part of online marketing. It lets your website visitors know exactly what type of information about them are being collected, how it will be used, and by whom. This will increase the amount of traffic to your website as well as improve your search engine rankings. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Balia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP, we will help you create a privacy policy page for your WordPress website and then add it to your WordPress website. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the very first step for us to get our privacy policy page would be to actually generate a privacy policy. So it's a very simple procedure. At first, all you need to do is search for privacypolicy.info and you will find this particular page right here, www.privacypolicygenerator.info. All right, so once you click on the privacypolicygenerator.info website, you will be redirected to this particular page. Now, all you have to do is answer some of the questions that these guys are going to ask. They're going to ask your company name, your website name, if you put ads out there, if you use any third party to put ads out there. Very simple questions that you would already know. So all you have to do is just answer some of the questions that they're going to ask, and they will create the privacy policy for you. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and fill in the information. So your company name, if you don't have any company registered, enter the website name. So that's what I'm going to do. Awesome. Then your website name and your website URL. Let's see, visit the site. Awesome. So once you visit the site, just copy the website URL and paste it right here. Click on next. Do you use cookies on your website? So I know that I don't have cookies or I don't use cookies on my website. So I'm going to tick on no. Do you show advertising through Google AdSense on your website? No. Do you show advertising from third parties except Google? No. And if you do that, you have to click on yes. In your country, here, the state that you're in, or you're operating from, where your company is registered, and your email address. Awesome. And then you just have to click on generate my privacy policy. So once your privacy policy has been generated, after you have answered all those questions, what you can do is just copy this particular text to clipboard. Download your privacy policy. So just copy this particular text to clipboard and then go to your WordPress dashboard. From right here, what we need to do is from our left sidebar, we need to find pages and we need to add a new page. Great. Add the title, just name it privacy policy, keep it simple. Now, the next step is very important. What you have to do is not copy and paste your privacy policy here in the visual section where my cursor is, but just hit on text. All right, so once you hit on text, then you can paste your privacy policy. Do not paste it in the visual section, paste it in the text section. And once this is done, you can go ahead and save the draft, preview, or publish it. So this privacy policy can be put on your WordPress website on the primary menu, in the sidebar if you like, or in the footer menu. I personally like to keep it in the footer menu. My cookies, my privacy policy pages, terms and conditions pages, I like to keep it in the footer menu, but it's up to you wherever you want to keep it. And yeah, I think it's done. Let's preview the changes. All right. Great. As you can see, this is all coming. You can go ahead, give it a read, see what's happening, what is there, and understand what is it that you guys are doing. All right, so yeah, we have successfully added a privacy policy page on our WordPress website. Hope this particular video helped you guys generate and install a privacy policy page on your WordPress website. If you have any doubts, any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section down below. Also, if you want to see any other kind of digital marketing related video on the Learn Today channel, you can definitely go ahead and put it in the comment section. Go ahead and hit on that like button and the subscribe button along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Jaswin Walia, and I will see you in our next SOP.